Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a video all about static nails. So they were kind enough to gift me a couple packages where I can share with you guys all about them and share my honest opinion, a review. They actually also sent me their Mad Happy collection, which involves such fun summer colors that I am obsessed with. I do have a coupon code if you do want to purchase anything, so I will leave it up on the screen as well as in the description box. Before I forget, all these products are cruelty free, and let's go ahead and get started on with the video. Okay, so the first thing I actually tried out was the nail polish remover because I had already nail polish on my nails, so I decided to use it to take them off. At first, my first impression was like, wait, is this like an oil? Like, it feels like an oil on your hands and it doesn't smell strong at all, you guys, like at all. It also has a dropper feature for as part of the packaging, and that made my life even easier, but I still used a little cotton ball just to make sure because I wasn't sure, like, is this gonna take all my nail polish off? And it did. Surprisingly, like, I was surprised because I didn't think this would take off my nail polish, to be honest. I felt like I was gonna be there for a while, like, trying to take it off because it didn't smell strong and it wasn't like your average product nail polish remover. So I loved it. I think this product is amazing. Honestly, it made my life so much easier to take off my nails and so much more natural. It feels super soothing on my hands because it is like, it has that oil feel. And after the nail polish, I decided to just file my nails and also, you know, just like wash my hands and add the primer. The first thing I received from them was the primer and coat, and then I also picked out this kind of blue, light blue color, pastel, and then also this neutral color, which is called creme brulee. And they're super beautiful colors. I tried them on my thumb to show you guys how they looked on my nail, and I really like them. Those were the first things I picked, but now on to the actual Mad Happy collection. So this is their latest release, so I'm super excited to share with you guys what I picked. These are specific colors. They obviously have a lot more fun colors, but these are the ones that I picked. So these are the key ingredients before I forget: jojoba oil, vitamin E, and apricot oil. So I remember picking a very hard, strong pink. So this is definitely it. So this is one of the colors. This next one is not a color, but this is the Instant Strength Nail Hardener. This is probably like a clear coat. It makes natural nails harder and stronger immediately while helping to prevent nails from bending and breaking, splitting, and also chipping. Next one that I see is this is called Major Hollow. So let's go ahead and see what color this is. Okay, so this is one of their sparkles. I really wanted to try one of their sparkles because I love sparkles on nails. I think it's so fun, so pretty. This one especially, you guys, you can tell the color is stunning, like beautiful. So I'm obsessed with it. I love the gray main color, but then within it, the sparkles are, as you can tell, are like such different pretty pastel colors. Next we have on the bright side, so this one, let's see what color it is. Sounds like maybe a yellow. So yeah, so it is a yellow. So this is such a pretty yellow. It's kind of like a more pastel yellow, but it's super pretty. This next one is called Lavender Fields. Definitely so pretty. I am obsessed with it again. The last one that I think there is this one. So this is the Cabana Boy. So this might be like a bluish color, I believe, but let's go ahead and see. Okay, so this is a strong blue. I think it's so fun. I actually have never had this color, I don't think. It's not like pastel, it's more contrasted than your like pastel blue, but I think it's so fun, so I'm excited to try this one out. My nails are gonna come out all different, but we're gonna try this one first. This is the sparkly one. I think we're gonna do in this order. Yeah, I think it's best if we do it in this order. So from the sparkle to the blue to the yellow to pink and lavender last. So I'm gonna put the sparkle on this last one. So it is very clear. I would use it more as a top coat. The next one is this blue one that I'm going to try. So I'm so excited. These colors are literally perfect for summer, you guys. I just cannot emphasize that enough. Wow, okay, yeah, like this is beautiful. This is the most beautiful blue I feel like I have ever had on my nails. Okay, this yellow one is going to need another top coat, which I probably will do, but this is what we're working with right now. And now we're gonna go ahead and use this pink. You guys, filming in like the heat is like my least favorite thing. It is not a fun time. I do not enjoy it. Like when I used to live at my parents, like I think it was like a couple years ago, there was one day where it was like 120 degrees. I do not thrive in the heat. I am not a huge summer person. Like I like summer because of the colors, you get to dress up in cute outfits, wear dresses and that stuff, but I am not a fan for anything else except obviously also the beach. But other than that, you know, I'm not a fan. I do not like the heat. I tried to kind of like change them up, like have the pastel colors next to a more contrasty color because I thought that would be more fun. So the pastel is not just all in one corner. But yeah, that was the first coat. It's pretty good for the first coat. I'm not a nail artist, so don't come for me. But these look so fun. I'm gonna do another coat. Okay, so this is how my nails ended up. I also added the top coat. So my right came out worse than my left just because obviously I'm a righty, not a lefty, so I had a hard time like filling it like completely. You can probably tell, you know, they're not the cutest on this one. But I feel like they look better right here on my left hand for sure compared to my other hand. I am in love with these colors. I just put the top coat, so I'm still waiting for them to dry. This one looks tragic. Like, it just looks tragic. I'm sorry. It'll completely dry out, but I wanted to share my final thoughts with you guys. So first of all, I want to talk about the Static Nails 100% non-toxic hydrating nail polish remover. So this bottle is beautiful. Like, I love it so much. It's definitely just gorgeous. It is hard. I noticed, like, I'm gonna struggle because my nails are still drying, but it just definitely is harder to like take it out. As you can tell, I'm like struggling a little bit and put it back in, but I love the drop feature, so it kind of serves as a little oil bottle, and it does feel like oil. It does not smell strong like your typical like CVS nail polish remover, which I love. I love that because it does not have a strong smell. It feels super natural. natural, and it feels as if I'm just like putting like oil, like an argan oil on my nails or something like that. So I really like this. My only downside would be that the bottle gets stuck, but other than that, I really like it. So the nail hardener, I still have to kind of try it more. The primer and the top coat work really well. I definitely am excited to see though how long my nails are going to last. So I'll keep you guys updated with that in terms of how long they last with these two, the top coat and the primer. But they feel super nice and gentle. They don't have a too strong of a scent. It's not very strong. Next, I want to talk about these two colors first. So this is the cotton candy, and then this is the creme brulee. These colors are beautiful. I could definitely see myself wearing these throughout the whole year, especially this one because it's such a neutral. Then I want to talk about the Matte Happy collection. So these colors that I have on my nails right now, they are beautiful. I am obsessed with them. I'm obsessed with the color. I love actually the little bottles. I love their whole packaging. I think it's stunning. I do wish the bottles were bigger though, because I know it would last me longer, but this is smaller than I actually thought. But that's my only downside, to be honest. I wouldn't like sniff it in here, but like if you just like smell it from doing your nails, it's strong, but it's not too strong, if that makes sense again. But I'm obsessed with the colors. I think by far my favorite ones have to be the lavender, obviously, the pink one, and the blue, and also the sparkles. I think I feel like the yellow needs a little bit more coats. Same with kind of like the pastel colors. If you ever go for pastel, they just, you know, need a little bit more coats. But other than that, I love them. I'm so happy, and I just want to say thank you so much for Static Nails for sending all these to me, and I'm so excited to keep wearing them. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next in my next video. Bye guys.